Hi guys, I'm Colton and today I'll be unboxing some great goodies by Elgato. The ring light, massive box, Camlink 4K and green screen mouse mat. Let's pop these away for now. So first off, this box, the ring light, is massive and I'm aching to open it, but let's look at the packaging design. So on the front, straight off the bat, lovely image of the ring light and a list of the main features, and there's plenty of them. So let's have a look at the main features. So you've got Wi-Fi enabled. This will allow control via an app or a computer via control center, but you can also control it via a Stream Deck. 2,500 lumens, so there is more than plenty of that all-important light to go around. Pardon the pun. Full spectrum warm to cold light. Space-saving slim profile, allowing you to mount the light behind a table against a wall. That's handy, all those light stands in the way. Edge lit, easy on the eyes. I'll get into that later. And it comes included with the desk mount. Awesome. So let's flip this box over. Okay, so looking at the back, it looks like the same sort of list as the front, but a bit more in depth, but I think I covered most of it. A screenshot of control center and also a picture of it on a stand. Interesting. But let's just open this box up. This is a big box. What? Look at those instructions. Multiple languages. So it tells you how to set it all up along with your Wi-Fi pairing. But it's a bit big. Put this away. So, regional sockets. Got your multi-mount. Let's have a look. Extend it. Nice. This will go on your desk. Power adapter. Hey, that's neat. Little phone holder. These always come in handy. Love using these. And the ball mount for your camera. For on the ring light itself. We'll put that on in a bit. Important safety instructions. And last but not least, quite minimal in this box, isn't it? Nice to see recycled paper, cardboard, the ring light itself. Let's get rid of this box. So this ring light uses state-of-the-art Osram LEDs, allowing for flicker-free videoing and with some awesome internals like a big aluminium reflector that scatters the light outwards, translucent grid panel to break the light into loads and loads of beams, and to finish it off there is opal glass that bends the beams for seamless light transmission. So let's pop on the ball mount. Take these packaging things off. So this ball mount bracket, you can pop DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and I'm going to connect the bracket on as well. Don't know why, because I'm not going to mount it to my desk just yet, because this is big and I've got to work out my best setup for it. And again, I'll be doing a later date video on this. So this little thing is amazing. With the Camlink 4K, I can simply hook up my mirrorless camera, choose the perfect lens, and boom, best webcam streaming camera in town. So you can use this with YouTube, OBS, Instagram, Zoom, and many more out of the box. So use it anywhere really. Let's open the box up. So I'll be personally using this for live production for multiple views. Nice little box. Lovely. So you've got an adapter here, I'm guessing, so there's less chance of knocking this out of the USB port. Bear in mind this is USB free. So if you plug it in USB 2, you've got a chance of dropouts and jittery video. So I'll pop this. Oh, look at all these safety plugs, that's great. Good to see. There we go. Pop that there. Pop your digital camera here and webcam. But before I forget, you could do 30 frames per second with 4K and 60 frames per second for 1080p. And again, I will show some videos of this in use at a later date, especially with Instagram lives and Facebook lives. Love doing those. Let's pop this back over here. Now on to the Elgato green screen mouse mat. Now this little beauty will be my creative gold, and it's tailored to perform with the surface having a great glide to it for accurate mouse control and has anti-skid rubber base. But let's open it up. This is great. It's green. Anything else? No. So you can, first of all, wow, this is massive. Deliberately done it the wrong side just so we can see the rubber underneath. Pretty good, pretty grippy. Flip it. Oh yeah, perfect. Do some green screen stuff with this. Ooh, now check this out. This lovely stitching to prevent the fraying, and let's face it, it looks awesome. And most importantly, this mat will allow for some great overhead video shots where I can key out the green and choose any background I'd like. So this will be great for quick photography shoots, keying out the green. And with the Elgato ring lights, the lighting will be nice and even, eliminating most unwanted shadows. Now I do want to keep some shadows in because it will look a bit flat, but this will be perfect for getting rid of most of the background very quickly. But I can't wait to be creative with this green screen mouse mat. I'm not going to call it a mouse mat anymore, I'm going to call it a rug. The Camlink 4K. Can't wait to put my 4K camera into this. The ring light and this desk mount. I can't wait to be using this desk mount actually, because I've got lots of clamps and stuff I'll be popping on this. Make it all neat and tidy in the corner of my desk. Thanks for watching guys, this is a quick unboxing, but keep your eyes open for future videos where I'll be using all of this gear live or making some cool creative photographs with this ring light. Might even get my daughters to join me. You know, with that ring light in your eyes, looks pretty. Do a makeup tutorial. Now Elgato is known for live game streaming. I might do a bit of gaming with it, with, I don't know, my Xbox 360 or Sega Mega Drive, if I can find the right adapters that is. It'll be a bit of fun. Get Freya and Darcy, my daughters, involved as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, I'm Colton.